guide you how to fix camera distortion on Motorola G87. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, just click and hold side power button and volume up button at the time. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see a problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on see all apps. Scroll down and click on camera and click on storage and cache, and click on clear cache. After clear cache camera app, go back to home screen. You will see a problem is solved. But if it still not solved, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in settings, click on system and click on reset option. If you want to fix this problem, click on reset all settings, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on camera app, click on the settings icon, click on reset and click on this reset icon. Again click on this reset. You will see a problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so go to app library, click on settings app, scroll down to and click on click on system and update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software update latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more latest videos. Thanks for watching.